Wise Naturals retainer cleaning tablets are the best for Invisalign, and I'm going to tell you why. So my girls both have Invisalign, and first off, I want to thank Wise Naturals for sending these retainer tablets for me to test out. We really love them, and I'm thankful to have been introduced to this wonderful product. My girls have Invisalign, and they were not provided with any cleaning tools or anything like that. So this came in really, really handy. So what I want to talk to you about first, I'm going to demonstrate how to use it, but then I want to explain the product first briefly. These are extra strength cleaning tablets. You get 30 in a packet, which is a 1-month supply because it's intended for use daily. They're persulfate-free. They kill up to 99% of odor-causing bacteria, and these are mint flavored. So the types of appliances that this is designed for, it's made for clear retainers, wire retainers, clear aligners, sports mouth guards, night guard, bruxism appliances, TMJ appliances, and dentures. One thing I do want to note is that it also, in addition to the tablets, it comes with this removal tool. And so it's just a nice thing to have to help remove the appliances from your mouth without introducing additional bacteria. If you see right here, I don't wear them, so I can't demonstrate it, but it says right here, here's the pamphlet about it. It says, no more broken nails, keep fingers and germs away. Use the retainer removing tool included. So you can see you kind of hook it in right here and just kind of take it out. And it's just really nice. It goes along with the product by not introducing unwanted bacteria. So the way these come in these individually wrapped tablets, so they just tear off with the perforation, and it just keeps the product fresh really well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use these. So the directions say to drop 1 tablet into warm, not hot water enough to cover the appliance. Place the appliance into the bubbling solution. Let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes and then take it out. The appliance is clean and sterilized and odor-free. And then for tough stains, you can soak overnight if needed. And then it says to rinse the appliance in hands thoroughly under running water and pat clean with a dry cloth, and the appliance is ready for use. So what I have here, I have the tablet. So I'm just going to open this up, put it in the water. You can see it's starting to bubble. See that? Starting to bubble. And then I'm just going to put in our Invisalign. And because I'm just going to go ahead, because it said to cover the appliance. So it's in here, it's bubbling. You see it's really starting to bubble, and I can even smell the minty aroma emitting. So that's going to be nice. These will be really nice and fresh when it's done. So I will let you see what it looks like after the 15 minutes. So at the end of the 15 minutes, this has turned blue and it's pretty much stopped bubbling. So I'm going to go rinse these off and show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. They're nice and shiny and they smell fresh. So if you have a dental appliance and you want a nice way to clean them easily and efficiently, I definitely recommend this product.